CFM approached Irribiz to help them develop their intense citrus production system. It included the fieldworks, it included being able to batch and mix complicated and frequently changing fertiliser mixes and inject it accurately and with precision. In fertiliser batching, we've come up with a mixing system that can do large quantities, 10,000 litre batches. We've developed a mixing tank that can handle that, including aggressive products such as acids. And we've also developed PLC systems and valve transfer systems that can handle the quantities and capacities required. And we can expand automation further in the future as requirements develop. We've utilised some stainless tanks to reduce footprint. We've also utilised traditional poly tanks for smaller products and acid-based products. The injection system is based on off-the-shelf products for simplicity and cost, but we override those with some smart PLC programming and ability to change them and remote monitoring. We engineered a specific batching vat for the project, which is able to handle the aggressive acids. The walkway and framework was designed to allow acids to be added to that vat without pumping or any pressurisation of the dangerous products. The mixing vat has dual propeller-driven agitation and can very quickly turn around large volumes of mixture and transfer in a matter of minutes. This allows for fast turnaround of large quantities of fertiliser, and the storage tanks are such that we can store many months worth of fertiliser for use whenever required. We've developed a PLC program that can automate the batching and transfer system. It operates hydraulically controlled plastic valves that are sprung-loaded closed, so that in the event of a power failure or event like that, fertiliser is contained where it needs to be. We've also got a multiple of alarms and errors and protection sensors to make sure that the correct fertiliser goes into the correct tanks and much less chance of contamination. After the fertilisers are mixed, they're stored individually in 5 different tanks. They are then ready to be injected with the fertigation injection system. The fertiliser injection system is designed around 5 individual channels, all of which are run proportionally. One of the channels is used for pH trim, and we also have EC monitoring. An important feature of any fertigation injection system is not only the accuracy and the flexibility of injection, but the accurate mixing of the products before they leave the pump station. We've developed and installed a proprietary mixing chamber, which is in the main line as it leaves the pump station. The integration of the field valve control, the pump station, the fertigation is something that Irribiz has brought to this project.